Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Eileen. Today we're going to unbox a brand new style from Gabor. This is called Curves Ahead and SS Sandy Blonde. I am wearing that same color, SS Sandy Blonde, and this is Debutante. Okay, before we get started, I want to remind you, first of all, this wig was provided to me for review by wigstudio1.com. I will have information about it in the drop-down box below. Also, don't forget to go over to my website, Crazywiglady.com, and subscribe to my email list. I sell my wigs over there. Lots of fun things happening on my website. I will put it up here, Crazywiglady.com. Okay, let's get started and unbox Curves Ahead. Alright, let's unbox Curves Ahead. Comes like this. Okay, it's in a hairnet. I love this color, SS Sandy Blonde. It's so pretty. Okay, it looks, of course, wavy. Okay, so pretty. Let me let you look at the color. Now, of course, if you watch my reviews, you know that I'm going to show you this in outdoor lighting a little later on, but this is just the unboxing. Let's see. Okay, the cap. It has a lace front into the lace part. Make sure you get a good look at that. Very pretty. I'm sure there's going to be a little permatease here. It doesn't feel like a lot. Open wefted, closed ear tabs with stays, Velcro adjusters, and an extended felt nape. And there's some stretch in here too. Well, that's very pretty. All right. Really like this lace front. Again, that's not going to be, I can tell this is going to be low density. Beautiful waves. Let's try it on. All right, let's shake it out and try it on. Okay, I can tell you right off it's large on me. I would definitely need to adjust this. It's going to have a bang here. Let's see. Pull those ear tabs down. Yeah, it has this long sweeping bang. Wow, this is pretty. Now, you know, if I like this length, it's just a wavy style. It is very super low density. Now I'm going to spray it with some water like I always do on every wig I put on. I always spray it with a little water. This is a little shiny. It will probably need some dry shampoo, I would think. But just if I spray it with some water, it kind of gives me an idea of what I'm working with here. Lots of layers. Wow, this is beautiful. This is a pretty wig. Like I said though, it's really pretty large on me. Let's see the coverage. Barely see my bio hair there. And there. Just barely has good coverage. Give you a really good look at this lace front. It's very comfortable. And wow, I like this. Have no idea what the back looks like, but I'm going to show it to you. Now, there is some permatease at the nape. I can feel that, which is fine, and that helps give it this shape. It's going to have a lot of movement here. Now, the specs of this, Curves Ahead, the bang is 7 inches. You could trim this bang if you wanted to. I think it's going to be pretty just combed over, messy. Let this have a lot of movement. The crown is 7.5 on here. The sides are 7 inches. The back on this one is 8 inches. Nape 3 3/4, and it weighs 3.5 ounces. Beautiful style. Yeah. This is going to be a nice throw on and go, just like I said. It's just wavy, out of the box. Let it be messy. Run a little water through it to separate the curls. You could also do some sea salt spray or some wig wax on this to really you know, really get some texture and define this. Be nice also. Pretty off the face. Really a nice style by Gabor. Curves ahead. All right, let's talk about this color. SS Sandy Blonde GL14 22 SS. I want you to see it up close. Now, as I always tell you, these studio lights will wash these blondes out. Very important that you watch reviewers who show you these colors in outdoor lighting, and I will insert that. So it has a base of a dark golden blonde, as you can see. Then it has lots of tones. Gold blonde, really pale gold blonde. There's a little ash in this as well. This is one of my favorite colors from Gabor. And it has a light brown root, as you can see. Now, if you love rooted wigs, I do, but you're not a fan of really stark roots, look at Gabor. They do some of the most beautiful shading on their rooting. It is never, ever stark. Very subtle, very well blended, as you can see. Really, really beautiful job, SS Sandy Blonde. Okay, I hope you enjoyed that unboxing of this beautiful new style from Gabor, Curves Ahead. What a nice style. I really think this is age appropriate. I think a lot of face shapes can wear this. It has a nice length around the face. It comes down here, like we said, has those 7-inch sides and the 8-inch back. Very layered, lots and lots of beautiful movement in this wig. Very nice. Be sure to look at wigstudio1.com at all the shades it's available in. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you next time.